Hi guys, today I'm gonna share a makeup tutorial for a simple makeup tutorial for Onam. Okay, so this is very simple makeup tutorial and I just call it as an Onam makeup tutorial, but you can have this look at any time, like for any sort of festivals. So it is very simple and I will let you know how it is works. Okay, so let's go to the makeup. So I have already told you it's a simple makeup tutorial for Onam or any sort of festival, right? So the first step, I'm already like, you know that if you have watched all my makeup videos, then you might have seen that I'm gonna use this Lush Veda rose water toner to clear out my face. So if there is any sort of residues or any sort of dirt on my face, then it helps to clear it out. So I have just wiped out my face and hope so all dirt is gone. So the next step is applying a primer. So I'm using this one, Inside Rain 1 primer. So done with the primer. Okay, so next our step is foundation. So I'm gonna use this one, Sugar Cosmetic foundation, number 10 Latte. So actually they have this brush also. I have already shown you this one. They have this brush to blend and it's a stick form. So just dab on your face like this. You don't have to apply a lot. So the base is almost done. You can see that the face is it covered each and every part of the face, and there is no space that it isn't covered. So the next step we are gonna use is a concealer. I'm using this concealer, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Razor. They also have this smudge thing. Just applying under my eye. Just take out your sponge and just blend. So I'm done with the concealer. So next is I'm gonna use my favorite Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. I'm using the normal to oily thing and the color is Natural Buff and it is 230 the number. So I'm gonna apply this. You get a sponge with this. Either you can use the sponge, dab a bit on your eye area and just take out a brush like this. Just buff it up. So I'm done with the compact. Next I'm gonna do my eye makeup. So for the eye makeup I'm gonna use this one, this palette of NK. You can see the undersea, it is too colorful, so as it is an Onam and it's something like more into color, so I'm gonna use this colorful palette. Okay, and I'm gonna use this orange. So to match that one, I'm gonna use this shimmer thing over my eyelid. So you get a shimmery effect on your eye. And now I'm gonna use this yellow color over my crease area. So almost done. Next I need a tinge of shimmer of this aqua blue. So So I'm done with my eye makeup. The next thing I'm gonna do my eyeliner and mascara and my eye pencil. So let's begin. So first I'm gonna use my eye pencil, that is Maybelline's eye pencil, Colossal Kajal. So I'm gonna use the black one. I mostly use the brown one, but as it is a festive look, so I am using this black. So I'm done below the eye. Okay, the next I'm going to use this one, the Color Sense eyeliner, which is a waterproof eyeliner. So you don't have to worry about it. So I'm done with my eyes. The next thing, to give a dramatic touch, just blend just like this. This palette, this is Mocha Mix from NK only. Choosing the color, this one, just below my eye. You can see that my eye makeup is almost done. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows and my mascara. So I'm going to use this one, the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. So you always, when you prefer a mascara, always use a good mascara. This one is very good. So if you don't use a good mascara, what happens is at times it starts drying and some flakes get fall on your eyes, and that can irritate you so much. And I'm not gonna use any fake eyelashes because I don't need that. So I'm done with my mascara. So you can just blend it like this with your eyes. So you can blend it with your fingers, so you can just get a fuller effect. Next we're gonna do my eyebrows. They got a brush like this, so you can just brush it up. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Next step I'm going to use blush. So this is the blush which I'm using. This is Nykaa Molten Matte. This is used for cheek as well as you can use it as the lipstick. So buy something like this so you can have as a lipstick or you can have as a blush. Okay. So it's a liquid blush. So I'm gonna apply on my face. Just like this. So I applied my blush. So now take a brush like this and just blend. Now the cheek looks so fresh and fuller, and I'm gonna apply the blush on my nose too to get a very pinky effect on the nose, over here a bit, and over the chin. Right? Now blend with this. So I'm done with the blush. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to use the lipstick, my favorite lipstick, which is the Maybelline lipstick, and this is the Madison Red number 2. So you know that if you have seen my videos, then you might have seen or you might have heard that I love to mix two colors. So I'm gonna use that blush color with this lipstick. So I'm done with the lipstick. So we all have the problem of spreading the lipstick or something, and here the lipstick comes. So press this tissue paper between your lips like this. So I'm done with my classy lipstick, and the next step we're gonna use highlighter, but only a little bit. Okay, it's a festive look, so you have to look good and glam. For that purpose, I'm gonna use the highlighter. So I'm gonna use this highlighter from Swiss Beauty, the brick highlighter. So they have a lot of colors. So I'm gonna use this one. Just taking a bit. So I have already mentioned you put the highlighter where the light reflects. So then only it will look good when you apply the highlighter. Like take the compact again and just buffing it. Buffing all over my face. And I'm gonna take a bit highlighter and just apply it on my collarbone. So as this look is for Onam, so I'm gonna wear a bindi to complete the look. So I'm done with the bindi also. Now let's see the final look. Wait. So hope you see my final look. Hope everyone like the look. Even you can use this look for marriage function. So somewhere you go Indian, right? So you can use this makeup tutorial. And if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, I don't like and you don't press the bell icon, so that you can get the latest updates. And also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment in or the suggestions below if you want to include any more things, any more tips about the beauty tips, about beauty enhancing tips, or any health tips you want to share with me, then I will include in my video. And that's it. Almost the Onam got over, right? So anyways, once again, happy Onam to everyone out there, and love you all. And do message me in Instagram, do follow me in Instagram, Facebook. My name is Roshni Nair itself. So do share me if you are like not ready to share your viewpoint or any sort of comments in the YouTube, then do share me in my Instagram or in my Facebook. So I'll definitely include all those things in my next video. And last but not the least, happy Onam to everyone. Love you all. Love you so much.